Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. We are at our second job, and today is April the 12th. It's a Tuesday. We are at a repeat customers. They have purchased a new house, and I came by on Sunday to inspect the floors. We'll be doing the hardwood. And the living room here, and right on through the kitchen. Really a beautiful floor with nice lighting under the cabinetry. And when I inspected it Sunday, I noticed that there was, they had an acrylic finish where they had used maybe Rejuvenate and some type of residual film left on the floor, and it had been coated with a oil-based polyurethane before, which oil-based polyurethane always yellows in time, especially like in areas where there's a lot of sunlight, which this definitely is. So it has a yellow tint to it, which you can tell right on the edges in the vents where they had just coated it and it has yellowed in time. So it's a beautiful floor. And what we're going to do is we're in the process of cleaning it right now to get that residue off. And then we're going to screen and recoat with 2 coats of water-based poly to give it a nice wear layer so it holds up for years and is very low maintenance and just really will be easy to maintain and maintain its beauty. So again, they purchased the house and they wanted all the floors clean, the tile and grout here in the foyer, the carpeting going up and down to the basement. And the laundry room tile, and the bathroom. Really nice bathroom, but a nice tile. So Taylor is using the multi-wash to clean it, and then we'll be screening and recoat, and we will be back to give you updates. And that's one thing we noticed over here with the plant is that they had some staining underneath. I don't know if you can see it. There it is, where the plant was overwatered, or it just went through the base and got into the wood. And over time, that if left for too long, that'll penetrate the wear layer, the base layer, and right into the wood. And even a deep sanding won't take that out. It'll have to be, the whole board will have to be replaced. And I noticed over here, there's a small like water stain. And a piece of wood that's popped out. So I'll put some wood filler in there and try to take care of that, and another water stain. So that's why you want to screen and recoat it every 3 to 5 years. to keep those protective layers on top of the wood to minimize the water damage and staining and scratches that get into the wood, deep scratches. So you just replenish that wear layer and keep it durable and looking good over time. Hardwood floors are really the most popular flooring choice now and one of the most durable, but it's also one of the most improperly maintained floors out there. And you really have to be careful. You can't use Rejuvenate or Murphy's oil soap or anything like that where you're putting a residue on top of those wear layers that scratch very easily and also hold on to the soil and make it much more difficult to keep them looking good and preserve that wood grain look. So that's why manufacturers recommend cleaning it every year, professional cleaning, and 3 to 5 years a screen and recoat. Now we're putting down the first coat of water-based poly, and it's going on nice, and it's really turning out beautiful. This is a satin finish, so it's going on. It looks glossy, but once it dries, it'll have that nice satin sheen. And this is a self-leveling product, so as it sets for about a half hour, it levels out and really looks beautiful. It's going to be an awesome look on this floor, the satin finish. So we're getting there. We're almost done. We've done the tile, cleaned and sealed the foyer and laundry tile. That came up beautiful too. Grout lines really pop now. And of course now, we're almost done in here. Just beautiful. It really highlights that grain. And again, you know, with Rejuvenate and all those things that you can buy at the market, Orange Glow, Mop and Glow, it just ruin your floor and make it harder for you to maintain them. So this just puts on that base layer, fresh wear layer, and really will add life to the floor, protect that grain, the clarity of the grain, and just, yeah, beautify it. And this is a beautiful home. It really is a nice one. So, tomorrow I will come back in the morning and put another coat on, the second coat, and the homeowner will be all set and ready to roll. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure and hit that like and subscribe button, and that way you don't miss out on any of our new videos. And as always, leave the cleaning to the pros. And if you're thinking about having it done, consider True Care Cleaning Service. Thank you very much, and have a great day.